Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain you about exporting data from Excel to MySQL. This is the description of the table. I have 5 columns: UID, name, marks, class, section, and the data types can be seen on the screen. Let me show you the data that is present in the table. So this table is having 3 rows, and now I am going to add 3 more rows into this table. First, I have filled the Excel sheet with the data that has to be entered into the MySQL table, and the order of columns in Excel is same as the order of columns in MySQL. Please observe the data types of the columns: integer, varchar, and varchar. And the data types here in the Excel, the first column and the third column are having integers and remaining 3 columns are having strings. The first step is to select the data which I need to export into the MySQL. Then go to the data menu. On the right side corner you can see MySQL for Excel. This has to be installed in your system. I am clicking on that. I have to choose the database to which I have to export this. As of now I am going to export this data into the local database, so I am choosing the local instance. Here I have to choose the schema. I am choosing DAM. Here the table name is details. I am clicking on details, and now I have to select this option, append Excel data to table. These are the 5 columns from Excel sheet, and these are the 5 columns from MySQL. You can see the columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the column names UID, name, marks, class, section in the order that is present in the MySQL. The column 1 is mapped with UID, column 2 with name, column 3 with marks, column 4 with class, and column 5 with section. As the data types of the columns in Excel are matching with the data types in MySQL, the columns got auto mapped. If you are satisfied with the mapping, you can choose this append button, and the data gets added into the MySQL table. Let us see that in MySQL. You can see that these 3 rows that we exported from Excel got added to the table in MySQL. This is well and good if the columns are in the same order as it is in the MySQL. Now these columns are reordered, and let us see how to export the data if the columns are not in the same order as it is in the MySQL. I am selecting the data, and the steps are same. I am clicking on the append Excel data to table. Now you can see that one column did not get mapped because the data type of the first column in Excel is string, and the data type in the first column of MySQL is int. Anyhow, we know that the columns are not in the same order as it is in the MySQL. What I am supposed to do, I need to map it manually. So I am going to click on this column 1. As I know it is a section, I need to map it with section in the MySQL. I am dragging it and dropping near section. You know that column 2 is UID, so I am clicking on column 2 and dragging it and leaving it near UID. And in the same way, I need to map these columns manually. The column 4 goes to name, the column 3 is the marks, and it is already mapped. Now the columns are mapped in the order which I need to insert into the MySQL. I am clicking on append. The operation completed successfully. Let us see this change in MySQL. You can see that 3 more rows got appended. In the previous 2 examples, we saw that the number of columns in Excel is equal to number of columns in MySQL. Let me show you what we need to do if there are more columns in Excel than in MySQL. Now I have 7 columns in Excel, but I have only 5 columns in MySQL. Let me select complete data, click on append Excel data to table. Here we have to map the required columns and leave the unrequired ones. The mapping is done, and you can see that column 3 and column 7 are not mapped with any of the columns in MySQL because those 2 columns are not present in MySQL. I am clicking on append, and the operation completed successfully. You can see the change in MySQL. Now 3 more rows got added. Hope you understood how to export data from Excel to MySQL. Thank you.